All right, so I pretty much got to start holding it wide open, like right here, guys. I'm not letting off. That is wild. Love that. Good job, buddy. Go, go, go. What's up, YouTube? Out here on the turn track today. It's a little dusty, hasn't rained in 5 or 6 days, but it's beautiful, 60 some degrees, and I put in some trail time earlier, so I'm letting Weston ride, but I'm gonna try out this Surron Light Bee X from AOMC.mx. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know these are all the rage right now. And I'm gonna tell you, I was super surprised what this little bike can do, even with 215-pound me on it. The brakes actually work really good. The suspension works really good for what it is and my weight. You can have a lot of fun on these things. I really think they're gonna take over the pit bike scene, man. So let's go rip around with Weston a little bit and kind of play and see if I can remember that I don't have a foot brake back here, because I always seem to forget that. These things are so hassle-free to get on and go. Here comes Mason on his 2023 TBI 300. Tyler on his YZ250F. All right, so I got it in sport mode. Gonna click the key on, and that's it, guys. Showing 97% battery. Let's hit it. So weird having this rear brake. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Definitely needs a foot peg upgrade on it, I can tell you that. One thing I noticed right off the bat is how comfortable the seat is. Oh, nice loamy spot right there. It's actually got some get up and go coming out of the corners, guys, even with me on it. And I expected the front wheel to be a little washier than it is. Here's Weston on the SXE5. Rip it and rip it, big dog! I cannot imagine how much fun this thing probably is with a little more power, or just someone that weighs more like 160 to 180, and real dirt bike, like real suspension and real wheels and tires. There goes the 300 XC. So the new Surron coming out this summer, the Ultra Bee, is pretty much going to be what I just listed. This kind of body design, but with motorcycle suspension and motorcycle brake components instead of mountain bike. Oh, I think I could probably clear that. I'm scared to, because I don't know what this suspension is going to do, but I think I probably could. It's so weird to never have to move my feet because I can't, because I've got that rear brake on my hand. I love it. So when I get my start, I'm gonna try to, I'm torn. I really want the handbrake, but I'm afraid if I switch back and forth to a gas bike, it'll mess me up. I've pretty much been wide open around this turn track, guys. The front wheel, you know, it's not much different than a bicycle wheel. I kind of expected it to be a little more flimsy, like wishy-washy, but it actually seems pretty accurate and sticky. It's making me like 100% want an Ultra B. Oh, I want to take this thing out on the trail so bad. Oh, I'm so close. I think I can get over that. So I just hold it wide side and go. Made it! That's so sick. That is so sick for a fat guy on a little bike, guys. Love that. All right, so I pretty much got to start holding it wide open, like right here, guys. I'm not letting off. That is wild. Love that. I know on video it probably looks super stupid and lame, but it's a blast. I don't feel it wanting to knife. I don't feel it wanting to wallow or anything like that. Actually pretty impressive. Whoa. Whoa, buddy! This rut's kind of tough, isn't it? Whoa.